put the kitchen here. And I thought, oh no, that's all backwards. We need to have it in the front of the house, not in the back of the house because of the view. And anyway, so I said to humor that client, I just, okay, I'll do it that way. And it turned out it was the right thing to do. So yeah, so um, good listener. Oh, it's actually the number, maybe this is the number one thing is you need to have fun. To me, I think if there are so many hassles, things to get stressed out about, if you can't have fun at the end of the day, if you can't come in and say, that was, that was really rewarding. I had a great time. These people I'm working with, if you have employees, uh, coworkers, if you can't have a good time, you should be doing something else because your life is going to be miserable, and we ultimately we all need to be we need to be happy. So have a good time. um let's see.